Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to block a contact or phone number on iPhone. If you want to block anyone on iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. First, there are two ways to do this. First, you have to open your phone app, then select contacts, and here you just have to select the contact which you want to block. As I'm going to block this one, so select it. Scroll down and here you will get the option of block caller. Just select it, then select block contact. And this way you can easily block a contact phone number. The second way is that you just have to open your phone settings and here scroll down. Here you will get apps, select it. In apps, just scroll down and look for phone app. Here's that, tap on it. Scroll down and here you'll get the option of block contacts. Just tap on it and here just select add new. Now select the contact. In this way you can easily add or block more contacts, and sometimes that's how you can block contact on phone number on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.